For just 5,460 rupees, an elite club in Delhi was enjoying 27.5 acres of land just near Prime Minister's residence. Until recently, government revoked the license. I am talking about Delhi Gymkhana Club, an institution in Lutyens, Delhi, whose members are diplomats, bureaucrats, and many politicians like Rahul Gandhi and Smriti Irani. तो बात 1928 के ब्रिटिश रूल के टाइम की है. ब्रिटिशर्स को एक सोशल क्लब चाहिए था for colonial elite. Thus, club got this land on lease. It paid an upfront amount of 5,460 and an annual rent of just 409.50. For approx 98 years, this club enjoyed the same perks. That same deal has exploded into one of the Delhi's biggest controversies. According to the club's own account, this land had disappeared from its financial statements, balance sheet, for years because its original value was so small. Imagine you forgot to mention the bungalow in Delhi because you bought it decades ago for 10,000. Only recently was it brought back into the books at the same historic cost of 5,460. See, there is nothing wrong with the historic cost, but disappearance raises serious questions. Now fast forward to today. The government has cancelled the lease alleging violation of lease conditions and unpaid dues. और forensic auditor के अकॉर्डिंग भी 260 करोड़ की irregularities पाई गई थी, जो कि statutory auditor के साथ शेयर भी नहीं की थी. Even Ministry of Corporate Affairs has objected to huge sums collected by the club for its members. अब सवाल ये है कि अगर क्लब इतने सालों से रूल्स तोड़ रहा था तो सरकार को लगभग 100 साल बाद ही क्यों याद आया? और अगर सरकार की मांगे वाकई इतनी ज़्यादा थी तो बैठकर बात करने की बजाय सीधा लीज कैंसिल करने तक बात कैसे पहुंच गई?